Okay, we have the Bushwhacker Plus, the 17FD. This is the 2022 model. Right around 18 feet long, nice and lightweight, around 1,600 pounds. A little pass-through storage that goes underneath the bed. Comes with the starter kit. And of course the power cable. Heavy duty tires so you can go mount it around off-road. This is the FD model, so it's got a front dinette table that turns into a bed. So realistically speaking, you can sleep 4 comfortably in here. Maybe uncomfortably, but 3 more comfortably. It's got the side kitchen. Really nice setup. We got the wall AC. They upgraded the fridge from last year. Much bigger now. A lot nicer too. They also added a little flare for the shower, which I'm liking quite a bit. Before it was just kind of bare walls, so this is much nicer. It feels a lot more waterproof too. And definitely a little bigger too. They widened it up a little bit from last year's model. You know, so your knees aren't against the wall now, which is nice. And of course you got the bed over here. You got 2 windows, makes great cross breeze. No electrical under here. It's not so much storage, but there is access. Overall, a really nice job on these. These are great little teardrop campers. Nice and small, but lightweight. You take them anywhere, and durable, very durable. Of course, you got the 2-burner stove, a couple of lights, got your water heater, water pumps, and black and gray tanks like everything else. You know, all the lights are push lamps, but that's alright. Small units, not like you have to reach. And a little outdoor LED. Not too bad. And again, this is the 17FD Braxton Creek the Bushwhacker Plus.